Spooky egg hunt. Help Mango collect the eggs.
Oh!
What's this? Spot a difference. To collect the egg, Mango must spot the difference.
Aha!
Yay! You got your first egg. What's next?
Oh!
What's the next challenge? Find the hidden object. Mango must find the orange egg.
Aha!
There it is.
Aha!
You got the second egg. I wonder what's coming next.
Oh!
What's the next challenge? Complete the picture. It's a puzzle. Let's put the pieces together.
Aha!
That was fast. You got another egg.
Aha!
Looks like you finished the egg hunt, Mango. And collected all 3 eggs. Yay! You did it, Mango. Today we played 3 games. Spot the difference. Find the hidden object. And complete the picture with a jigsaw puzzle. Hope you enjoyed playing with Mango.
Huh? Huh? Aha!
Blue. Orange. Pink. Green.
Aha!
Yellow. We painted this giant egg with lovely colors like green, blue, pink, orange, and yellow. This egg is looking so beautiful. Wow, it's Easter! A basket of Easter eggs. What should we do with them? Put them down, Mango. Yes, Mango, we can paint them. I'm painting mine yellow. Yellow. Ben's painting his red. Red. You can paint yours purple, Mango. Mango, that's not purple. That's green. Purple. Let's make some patterns on them.
Yeah!
I'm painting stars with pink. Pink. Cool spots, Ben. I love the orange. Orange. Those stripes look amazing in blue. Blue. We're all done. Happy Easter! Today, we painted these lovely eggs with colors like purple and blue, yellow and pink, red and orange. Painting is so much fun, isn't it?